feeding it. I don't know if you can hear. But I love the sound of this baby. Come check it out. It's Nari. Nari's feeding the baby. Let's see. She's feeding baby through her wing again. Little feather in its face. Baby's a week old today. And where's Nico? He's in here. He's not in the nest box. Good morning, Nico. You ready to go see your baby? Go eat and then see your baby? Let me get this little boy out. Good morning. Look at him waiting for me. Hi, baby. Okay, Nico is going into the baby right now. But Nico didn't even eat. He's feeding it. I want to see how big baby is. 1 week old. Okay, so gotta get Nari out. Move her out of the way. Let's see baby 1 week old. Got your sweet 1 week old baby. Look at baby 1 week old. Look at the wings. Oh, he's trying to hold his head up. Look at it holding his head up. Birds are flying around behind me. Hi, Nari. Look at it, it's the whole family. Wanted to add the crows to this video. They're eating right now while Nico eats. And look at the squirrel. He's joining in too. Look at that hop. Everybody's eating right now.
All of my training has prepared me for this moment. Oh, you're so cute with your little whiskers.